Hi, I'm Becky Reeves, as you well know by now. I wanted to talk to you about next steps. What happens after FOLT? Well, first, the Dean of AGS and I will review your performance in FOLT, and the Dean will make all hiring decisions. Patience is needed. Teaching assignments will be made as soon as the course is available in your field of expertise, but it could take a few weeks or even a few months. You'll receive a detailed email from AGS when a course is available, which you can accept or decline. Your declination does not impact any future opportunities. It may not be a good time for you. We want you to be honest and say, hey, I'm traveling that month, not cool. When you do accept a course, you'll receive an electronic contract, pay confirmation, pertinent data about your course, and textbooks will be sent to you by a Roller. You'll also be assigned a teaching mentor who is well-versed in all things Brightspace and the Adult and Graduate Studies program. I assign mentors, and I usually pick someone who best suits you and your field, and I also mentor as well. Your mentor will reach out to set up an introductory meeting and to review your course prep. The course will need prep work to add due dates and review all content for any broken links or typos. Please keep track of any errors you discover and report them to Blake Roberts at the conclusion of your course. Your mentor will be there to help you with all aspects of the prep work, including how to use the gradebook and turn it in, things we couldn't do in FOLT due to your student role. You'll both review all content, and you may add any supplemental content that you deem appropriate. Supplemental content are such things as devotionals, scholarly articles that relate to your course content, research you've done on topics in your course, and videos. We don't want to overload our students, so guidance from your mentor will be invaluable. Mentor will also help you complete your personal teaching profile that I introduced to you in FOLT, and will make any recommendations on how best you can articulate your goals for teaching online at Oak Group. Your mentor will also help you with all tasks such as turning in the results of the course verification survey, which is our attendance tool, no later than day 8 of your course. This is an important task as students who have not completed the survey by that day will be administratively withdrawn from the course. So midweek of that first week, you want to send your students a reminder email if they have not yet completed the survey. You'll have help posting final grades in both Brightspace and Web Access, and together you and your mentor will resolve any student or course issues that may arise. You and your mentor will share a private discussion forum in your course to exchange information, resources, and best practices. In addition, your mentor will monitor your course activities and engagement to ensure you're adhering to the faculty expectations, participating in the discussion forums regularly, adhering to university policies, responding to students promptly, and posting students' grades no later than 7 days of the prior week. Each week, your mentor will share with you a weekly evaluation with highlights of where you did well, where you need to improve, and offer resources and potential stretch goals. This evaluation is a private document between you and your mentor. It doesn't go anywhere else. Ideally, you'll get together to review this evaluation, maybe on a Zoom or a phone call, and discuss the goals for the upcoming week. At the conclusion of your first course, your mentor will create a final evaluation, give it to you as a draft to review, let you add any input or feedback, and then we'll send the final version to Patty Gear along with your final personal teaching profile. Patty will review these documents and make the final determination on your status as an online adjunct for the AGS program. Your mentor will always be a resource to you long after your first course, as will I. During your first course, your mentor will also introduce you to other resources at the university, so you don't always have to go through your mentor to get problems resolved. After your first course, it may be some time before another course is available, so we ask you to, again, be patient as you await your next assignment. After mentoring, when you're on your own, someone from AGS will review your student evaluations and will log into your course periodically to confirm that you're still adhering to all university expectations and policies. It's critical that you maintain the same rigor, or even more so, that you started with throughout your teaching career at Oak Group. So that's next steps in a nutshell. You'll be assigned a course, assigned a mentor, provided with all the support, prayers, and encouragement you need to be successful long into the future. If you have any questions or concerns, you're always welcome to contact me now, during the mentoring, or in the future. My sole goal is to be a support to you as you move through your journey as a credentialed online adjunct for this amazing university. Thanks so much for listening. I'll see you online. Bye-bye.